Today I'm going to be reviewing the Lumineer JohnnyFPV 2207 2700 kV motors. I've had these motors for roughly 2 months now, and I have to say I'm really enjoying them. The power is fantastic, the response is even better, and they're some of the smoothest motors I've ever flown. When I first got them I was very concerned about efficiency, given that they're a 2700 kV motor, and I assumed I'd be getting very short flight times. But in reality, as I fly them, I find as long as I'm easy on the throttle and smooth on the throttle, I can manage to get 2.5 all the way up to 5-minute flight times. The only major downside for me is the cost of the motor. Being a $29 motor, it is expensive to repair them when they break, but I've only broken one so far, and they appear to be pretty durable. Overall, highly recommend these motors, and they're a great choice for any 5-inch freestyle rig. Thanks for watching.